What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Hakari and Kashimo, the fight that will, well, it won't define season 4, but it'll be a big part of it, I'd say. So let's do a split portrait. Haven't done a split portrait in a while. They're fun. So landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. I'm going to divide my page in half. You can fold your page in half and that'll give you exactly halfway, or you can measure. It's up to you. But then we're just going to draw a simple black line straight down. Of course, if you like doing a different sort of line, you know, like sometimes these split portraits have like lightning and stuff going up, you can do that as well. But I'll keep it simple this time, and we will just do this. So start with Hakari. Very small eye, so we'll go up and then across. And we'll kind of spike it a bit, darken it up. Okay, and then his bottom eyelid, down, across. And then a very small brown eye, iris, and pupil just in there. We'll give him an extra sort of line here, seems to be one there. And then his eyelid, just above. And then that shaved eyebrow. So we'll go a little check mark there. Right, but this is like in 3 sections, right? So it goes to there, about, and then you leave a gap, and you go again, and then you leave another gap, and then it kind of like hooks down there. You just fill that in. So just 3 sort of shaved eyebrow sections. And then his nose comes down like that. So, because it's split portrait, we can just see this side of his nose. So it just goes down that way. And then the nostril just there. And then we'll have Hakari smiling, I think. And then we give him his sort of facial hair that he has, the little bit that he does have. And then his chin, square chin. Thing goes out to a square jaw. And then goes up. Leave a bit of a gap, and we'll just add a sideburn line here. And then he has, I think, cheekbone sort of line in there as well. Oh, and there's bottom lip line. Right, so where this sideburn is, we'll just come out from his ear. Down that way. And then we got like a little earring here. And then the ear lines inside. That's like the easiest way to do ear lines, but you can add a little bit extra if you want. Make it look a bit more sort of real. So his hairline just goes in this way. It comes across here as well. He's a long neck. There. Goes behind his hoodie. And then we get his hair. So it's that sort of wavy, curly hair. Right, and then his big hood, so kind of like comes across here, and you can see sort of half the button. And then this hood sort of bumpy, kind of comes up pretty high. So it's not like the other Jujutsu sort of Kaisen hoods. It's like a big one. And you could have like textures on this just to show it's kind of like baggy. And then this will just go around. And then his shoulder will just go off this way. Might go right to the edge. Yeah, very close to the edge. What I did just there was like I measured kind of what I thought would be the size of his head. Because a male shoulders is like 3 heads across. So if you have 1 head, that means the second head's here. And that'll give you roughly where the shoulder turns down. Male characters, their shoulder width is 3 heads on average. Right, so Kashimo. Let me see. I had a different picture for Kashimo. What? Sorry now. Hopefully I edit. If I don't edit this out, I am sorry. Kashimo, what wears eye things? Kashimo. One, am I right? Yeah. Sorry, I was just trying to figure out his eyes. Okay, so just across from this, might be slightly lower down, but we'll see. Maybe it's just the eye is bigger. So we'll just go across and we'll go up. We'll have this one be spiky. Let me just make sure we make it a bit thicker. Right, and then back of his eye, bottom eyelid, comes across like so. Just carving around. And then his eye, bigger than Hakari's, big green eye. And then the pupil. Like that. And then of course he has the purple lightning coming around this eye, right? Some of this might go underneath his hair, but we'll draw it all in anyway. I think that's one, and then there's a second one. I think it just ends in there anyway. Right, and then he's frowning pretty heavy, so we do the eyebrow, just like a check mark. Just there, and then the other side that we can sort of color in. And then this comes down his nose, and then there's an eyelid line. Like so. And then we get his nostril beside Hakari's, and then his mouth, and his mouth is sort of downturned. And then the bottom lip again lines up with Hakari's. And then the chin. So we'll go there. His chin is kind of thinner. It's like Hakari's face is, what would you say, more masculine. So it's like this part of the chin is smaller, and we just have like a longer jaw. But if you wanted to do it the same both sides, you can. It's like that, slightly different. Okay, so Kashimo has loads of fringe, like lots of fringe. So we just start adding these spikes. And they like come down. So this kind of curves in. So this is like his fringe all in here. And then we can see his ear sticking out here. Ear lines down inside. Right, so then he has a tied section, you know, with the sort of tall part that kind of sticks out, right? So this is like the tied up hair. So the direction of the hair all goes that way. We get a couple of spikes sticking out either side here. Okay, so he has like loads of hair spikes then it's kind of sticking out here. That goes that way. There. Neck muscle. And then he has a kind of a white collar, kind of lower down than Hakari's. Doesn't have any buttons. Just has all these sort of folding areas on it. And again, shoulder right up to there. Boom. Hakari versus Kashimo. Looking forward to this. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.